Hello friends. Today we will learn one of the feature of Excel, that is going to data and use the what if analysis of the data table. How we can use it? Let's go and see one step by step. Suppose I have an investment per month. Suppose I have investing, so the value will be in minus, suppose minus 300 rupees. Let's change it to the currency format, and I'm investing suppose 300 rupees per month. Now the year of investment, suppose 20 years, and rate of, or you can say annual rate of return, let's take it suppose 5%. Then what will happen, the final value after said period? So we can use the formula minus FV, final value, the rate of return, as if this is a monthly investment, so I have to divide it by 12 because annual rate of return it is. Then the year of investment, as if this is a monthly investment, so I will convert into different how many months, and just considering this, the payment value, and just enter. So it will come something like this, or let me format in same format only, not a matter. Now suppose what happened in our mind came that if 5% change to 4%, or year of investment change to 18 years, 20 years, and how it will impact. So you have to go to change this value and find the what will be the value. But there is a way which we can use in a better way to do this and create a table. Suppose I have 3.5%, or let's take it with from 2%, then 2.5%, 3%, like that. This much percent is there, and I will just put equal to the cell in which the formula is there. Just placed it, and now what we have to do, just select this, and we will populate the what will be the value if we get a return of 2%, 2.5%, 3%, 4%, like that. So just a table selected. Now go to data tab, from drop down go to data table, you'll find this. Now it's a confusion or it's a bit outcome which one to use, as if we are populating the rate of interest in a column values. So we'll put the reference cell to the here, that means select, and what you want to change, the input formula, the rate of interest. So rate of interest is here, just select it. Okay, so here you can see the return is there. So let me format it. This thing happened. Let me format this also. So you can see that the return is populated here, 5%, the same value came, that is there. But suppose now there is another way that we want to remove it, and let's suppose we also want to see the value respect to the percentage and year of investment. Suppose 2 years, suppose let me format it. Okay, suppose 2 years, 3 years, or let me place it in whether 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, like that, till years. So what we will do here, we will put the formula, it will come here. Now select the entire table, go to same data tab, go to what if analysis, data table, the column is the percentage and row is the year, just select it. Okay, now you can see that a very nice, well arranged table is created where we get, if suppose anyone to see 7% rate of return after 20 years, what should be the value. So this is the way in which we can see this value. Now suppose what is there, I have created a table but I do not want to populate this particular value here because it looks something odd. So we can format it, go to format cell, go to custom, select here, just place a semicolon, first double inverted comma, then press window semicolon. You will get a list of emojis. I will select the latest one that I have used in this particular thing and then close it with double inverted comma and just press OK. So you can see symbology like this came. I can change the color as you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching.